What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this, regular people are turning AI tools like ChatGPT and MidJourney into life-changing paychecks? Not in some distant future, but today. In this video, we're cutting through all the hype and fluff to bring you 6 real, verified stories of people who are building incredible income streams with AI. We'll break down exactly how they did it, and what you need to know to try it yourself. First up is John, a graphic designer who was struggling to make ends meet. Then, in 2022, he discovered MidJourney. He spent his first weekend just typing random, creative phrases like cosmic forest under a neon sky, and was blown away by the stunning images the AI generated. Fast forward to today, and John is selling these AI-generated art prints and posters, canvases, phone cases, you name it, through print-on-demand shops. His monthly income? An almost unbelievable $145,000. The best part is, it's mostly passive revenue from art that he only had to prompt once. So, how does he do it? John simply writes creative text prompts for MidJourney, tweaks the outputs until they're perfect, and then uploads the final images to marketplaces like Etsy or his own website, which are connected to print-on-demand services. This means he holds no inventory and needs no traditional painting skills. To replicate this, you'll need a MidJourney subscription, or you could use tools like DALL, or Stable Diffusion. You'll also need a basic sense of design. The key is to spend time learning how to write effective prompts and iterate on them. Find a niche you like, whether it's sci-fi landscapes or cute animals, and start creating. Be patient, experiment a lot, and build up your collection. It takes time to master, but the potential is huge. Next, let's meet Tamza DALL, a blogger from India. In early 2022, he was making around $800 a month as a freelancer. By late 2025, he was running a blog with over 5 million visitors every single month, earning what he describes as multiple 6 figures in revenue. His secret weapon, ChatGPT. He used it to dramatically speed up his content creation process, generating outlines, brainstorming ideas, and writing first drafts. He would then edit and polish the AI-generated text with his own expertise. This allowed him to publish new, high-quality articles far faster than his competitors. With massive traffic flowing in from Google, he monetized his blog through ads and affiliate links. His method is straightforward but brilliant. He identifies trending topics, prompts ChatGPT for article drafts, and then refines them to ensure they're valuable and unique. He strategically posts this content to rank high in search results, driving organic traffic. To try this yourself, you'll need ChatGPT, preferably the Plus version for faster access, and some knowledge of SEO and blogging. Pick a niche you're passionate about, like tech, finance, or lifestyle, and create a content calendar. You'll need to dedicate time, maybe 5 to 10 hours a day, to experiment with prompts and create top-notch articles. The most important skills here are editing and basic SEO. It will take months of consistent work to grow a blog, so be persistent. Experiment with different topics and use your analytics to see what's working and scale up. Our third story is about Mike, a combat veteran who found a unique niche helping local businesses. It all started when he helped a friend's flower shop automate their emails and scheduling using simple AI tools. He quickly realized other local businesses would pay for the same service. Using ChatGPT for automated replies and marketing copy, along with basic automation platforms, he now sets up bots that can answer customer questions 24/7. He reports quietly, making about $7,000 a month in side income just by helping these small shops streamline their operations. Mike's process involves identifying a repetitive, tedious task like appointment booking or answering frequently asked questions. He then uses chatbot builders powered by ChatGPT to create automated responses. He connects these bots to other tools like Google Calendar or a CRM using platforms like Zapier or Make. His clients pay him a setup fee or a monthly retainer for this service. To do this, you just need ChatGPT and some familiarity with automation tools. You don't need to be a coding genius. What's more important is your ability to talk to business owners and understand their pain points. It might take a few weeks to learn the tools and land your first client, but that first client can lead to referrals. You need good problem solving and communication skills. The mindset here is to be service-oriented and prove the value you provide to your clients. Case number 4 is all about digital products. One creative entrepreneur started selling social media templates online. He used ChatGPT to generate endless content ideas, taglines, and quotes. Then, he used Canva, a simple design tool, to create polished graphic templates. By uploading these bundles to marketplaces like Etsy and Gumroad, he began earning around $4,200 a month in mostly passive sales. Think about it. Instagram post bundles, marketing flyers, wedding invitations all created in a fraction of the time with AI's help. Here's how it works. The seller would type a prompt into ChatGPT, something like, "Create 10 motivational quotes for a fitness brand's Instagram." Then, he'd copy that text into a pre-made Canva design, add some styling, and save it as a downloadable template. Customers buy it, get the digital file instantly, and he gets paid. To replicate this, you'll need a ChatGPT account. Canva, the free version, is powerful enough to start and a place to sell, like Etsy. You'll need a bit of a design eye to make your templates appealing, and some basic marketing skills to write good product descriptions. The initial design work might take a few hours per template set, but once they're live, the sales are passive. Stay creative, find hot niches, and consistently upload new designs to grow your income. Surprisingly, our 5th case shows that simply teaching others how to use AI is a massive opportunity. Business Insider reported that self-taught instructors have made anywhere from $10,000 to over $52,000 in just a few months by selling ChatGPT courses. For example, a marketer named Lance built a comprehensive beginner's course on Udemy. He spent weeks recording 7 hours of lessons. And in just 4 months, he had over 23,000 students and had generated more than $52,000 in revenue. He simply took his knowledge of ChatGPT and packaged it into video lessons, teaching everything from how to write effective prompts to using the tool for business. He listed it on a platform like Udemy for a reasonable price, around $20, and the sheer volume of students made it a huge success. To follow this path, you need to have a deep understanding of an AI tool and the ability to teach it clearly. You'll need screen recording software, an account on a course platform like Udemy or Skillshare, and of course, ChatGPT to help you plan your lessons and scripts. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Creating a quality course takes weeks of dedicated work, but the rewards can be incredible. Finally, our most technical but perhaps most inspiring story is about a solo developer who goes by Daniel. He launched an AI chatbot software as a service, or SaaS, all by himself, using ChatGPT for copy, GitHub Copilot for coding assistance, and MidJourney for design mockups. He built an embeddable chatbot for small businesses. In just 6 months, he attracted over 1,200 users and was generating roughly $100,000 a month in recurring revenue. He literally used AI to build an AI company. He used it for product copy, ad text, and even code snippets. He marketed his product on Reddit and through cold emails, all powered by prompts he fed into ChatGPT. Now, this is the most advanced path. You'd need some programming background, though AI tools like Copilot can significantly reduce the workload. You would also need to understand AI integration. The tools for this are the OpenAI API, GitHub Copilot, and automation platforms. Building a minimum viable product could take weeks, and acquiring customers takes months of marketing. Okay? But it shows what's possible with startup grit and a willingness to embrace trial and error. Each of these stories shares a common thread: focused, determined effort. They all started smaller weekend project, a side gig, and scaled up by using AI to work smarter, not harder. The key takeaway is that the AI gold rush is very real, but it's for the people who are willing to put in the work. They didn't just play with the tools. They found a niche, invested time in learning prompts and workflows, and created real value. Feeling inspired? The good news is, you can pick one of these paths and start today. The tools are more accessible and affordable than ever. All you really need is a computer, an internet connection, and a doer's mindset. Treat AI as your coworker. Keep learning, and don't be afraid to launch something imperfect. It's your turn to apply these tools and build something amazing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ideas on how to thrive in this new AI-powered world.